We're gonna keep going. It's so weird. What's up, you guys? My name is Patrick, and thanks for checking back in at my channel. It's another day in Paris. We just finished classes. I didn't want to film that part because we're just going to classes, and we sat in a 3-hour lecture today with our professor. But it was interesting. The lecture was about the city and the history of Paris. But now we're done with class, so we're gonna go around the city. We were looking forward to go visit Notre Dame Cathedral. We're down to go visit the Parthenon. This is a very nice building. What is it? Like, what is it though? Okay, we're casually just walking on this bridge, but this bridge is legit. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Now that is an unforgettable bridge. Oh my gosh. And then right over there is Notre Dame. Notre Dame is literally right here. Oh my goodness. Should we go inside, you guys?
Yeah.
Go inside. I want to go inside too. Guys, we are inside Notre Dame right now. Literally, the architecture in here is crazy. To imagine that they built this like hundreds of years ago is like remarkable. Like, what? Oh wow, that's beautiful. Check out the stained glass, you guys. Oh. Just finished visiting Notre Dame Cathedral and it was amazing. I mean, what an experience. They were having mass right when we visited them, and what really got me was the choir started to sing.
So much,
and it was just so like, it was so surreal.
We went to church next level.
So intense.
I mean it's church.
But in Notre Dame Cathedral, that's even more intense. All right, it is so rainy and windy that I'm actually hiding behind this car right now and ducking from the wind. Oh my gosh. All right, so weather update. My umbrella broke. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. But it's okay. It could be worse. It could be worse. To the
Pantheon.
The Pantheon. Let's go. We decided to stop in this French brand store because it looked like it was a men's like H&M kind of thing, but it's called Cello. I think I'm saying that right. Here, I'll show it to you. This, it's called that, Celio. And so I asked the employees working here, and they said this is a French brand, and so that's really cool because that's my purpose. I want to come here and buy French brands, you know, because obviously in America we don't have this brand of Celio, and the fashion's really nice too. Like, look what he's wearing. This is a really nice outfit right here. All right, we finished shopping at Celio, and now we are off to the Parthenon.
Pantheon.
Pantheon. Pantheon. Guys, we've reached the Pantheon. Look at this magnificent building right here. Oh wow, that is grand. Let's see if we can go inside. So we got our ticket, and now we're gonna go inside. This is breathtaking, guys. Check this out. Now we're on our way to meet my Parisian friend, Fabian. But in the meantime, we're down at the metro. And look how extensive this metro is. It's just so... yeah. It's really pretty though.
Et donc en plat, ça va être 4 margaritas. Do you want with the honey or pepper? Moi c'est gnang.
C'est noir après.
Ouais, ok.
Ok. Alors ce sera un magret au miel
Ouais.
rosé et un magret au poivre rosé.
Ouais.
C'est ok?
Ouais.
C'est bon?
Parisian friend, Fabian. Did I say that right? Alright, so look at this is our meal. Oh, real nice, real nice. Cheers!
No, I live in the ghetto. What? The ghetto.
Alright guys, we just finished and it was so delicious. I don't think that without him we would have gone to a restaurant with authentic French food. But since he's a Parisian, you know, he ordered everything for us, and so we gotta try escargot, we tried the duck, and it was all so delicious. We're gonna go find the metro right now and make our way home. And we're still finding our way around Paris, but it's okay. We're using the City Mapper app right here. And it's basically telling us which metro to use and which corner it's on. And it's 11 p.m. at night and we are just alone in the streets of Paris, still trying to find this metro station, you guys. Alright you guys, we found the metro station. We good. We safe. We are safe and sound. We just need to walk to our apartment now. So I hope you guys enjoyed my day vlog. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button from right below because I come out with videos every single week. All right, my name is Patrick, and as always, make sure to go out there and be a winner.
Gang gang.
Did I say Parthenon?
Yeah, you did.
Dang it. It's say it one more time.
Pantheon.
Pantheon. We need to find our direction. But in the meantime, it's nice. Look at it. Ooh.